How to create a Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Facebook application. So here, first of all, tap on Get Started. As you tap on Get Started, enter your first name over here. I'm posting a random name over here and then tap on Next. And here you just need to enter your birth date. So let's select a birth date over here. And then tap on Set. Then tap on Next. And here select your gender. Then tap on Next again. So here all you have to do is either you have to sign in or enter your phone number or your email. So I'm going to tap on Sign Up with Email. And then here you can just give any of the email IDs that is available for you. And then tap on Next. And here create a password and verify yourself and you'll be able to create a Facebook account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.